How to log in or sign into Amazon Kindle. Whether you want to create a new account or simply log into Amazon Kindle, then all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. So first thing first, open Amazon Kindle on your device. And here on bottom right hand side, you will find this option mode. So tap on it and click on sign in with Amazon. Now, due to some security reasons, Amazon won't let me to share my screen showing the process to sign in. But however, you will be shown two options to either sign in or create an account. If you already have existing account of Amazon shopping app, then you don't need to create an account. So tap on login and simply enter your email address associated with Amazon shopping app and enter your password. Otherwise, if you don't have Amazon shopping account, then simply tap on create an account, fill in your email address and then create a password and then log into it. So this is how you can create your account on Amazon Kindle or simply sign into it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.